In this video, I will show you how to set up Microsoft Exchange mail account in iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down and tap on apps, and here scroll down and find out mail app. Just tap on that, and here tap on mail accounts, tap on add account, and here select Microsoft Exchange. And now in this email box you have to write your Microsoft Exchange email address, and in this description box you can write a description, and then just tap on next and tap on configure manually. And now in this password field you have to write your Exchange mail account password, and then just tap on next. And as you can see, my Exchange account successfully added. Now to sync all of your Exchange account mails in your iPhone, enable this option, and you can also sync contacts, calendars, reminders from your Exchange account to your iPhone from here, and then just tap on save. And now here, as you can see, my Exchange account successfully added in my iPhone. So here's my Exchange account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.